Okay students, now the second part. So till now we have discussed about the history of Java, that about James Gosling has developed the Java program, okay, and the types of Java program and the translator. Okay, now next topic is features of Java language. Now the first feature is Java is object oriented language. It is object oriented language. I think in my first video I have already described about the object oriented language program, so I'm not describing that part now. Now the question point number two, it is a platform independent. Platform independent means we have already showed you that you have run once and write anywhere. Okay, so it number three, it uses compiler as well as interpreter. That is also we have already discussed that Java use compiler and interpreter, both the translator software. Now the fourth, it is a robust language. That means it is a very tough language. You have to strictly learn it. So okay, and the number five, it is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive language means, I think you can remember the HTML language which you have learned in class 8 and in 7 also, class 7 and 8. And so in your previous classes you have learned the HTML, and you can remember that HTML was not a case sensitive language. You can write HTML in small and capital in both form, but it is not possible in case of Java language. Java language is a case sensitive language, and you have the things which is written in capital, that things you have to write in always in capital. Okay, it is a case sensitive language. Let's move to the JVM. Now next topic is JVM. Now what is the full form of JVM? JVM full form is Java Virtual Machine. Now I have written one definition here. The Java virtual machine is a program whose purpose is to execute other programs. It is a simple idea that also stands as one of our greatest example of coding kung fu. The JVM upset the status quo for its time and continues to support programming innovation today. Okay, so the JVM, it's a JVM is just a logical things. It is, don't think there is a machine. No machine is there. It's just a logical concept, virtual machine. Okay, so what is the use of Java JVM? What is the use of JVM? Let's say the next topic and next point. The JVM has two primary functions: to allow Java programs to run on any device or program operating system, known as the write once and run anywhere principle, and to manage and optimize program memory. When Java was released in 1995, all computer programs were written to specific operating system and program memory was managed by the software developer. So the JVM was a revelation. Okay, so JVM has two primary functions. Two primary functions performed by this process. It allows JVM allows the Java to run anywhere. Now you just see this one, this process. In my translator part, I already discussed about this process, that where both you have to write the program, and that program is called the Java source code, and it use compiler to convert it to bytecode, and then it use again interpreter, and then the final material can be used in any operating system. This process or this system is called JVM. Okay, this is the process which is called JVM, and nowadays after the Java, whatever programming languages are coming, all are using JVM. Okay, JVM technology. So the JVM technology allows to run a software anywhere. Okay, in earlier computer you can see it is already mentioned here. I've mentioned that in when Java was released, sorry, all computer programs were written to a specific operating system. So in that time, in earlier time, in 1995, that time, what the software engineer had to do, they have run make program for each and every different computer differently. Suppose it is a unique system computer, so unique system computers programs are different. You cannot use Unix systems software to a Windows system. Okay, and Windows operating systems softwares are also you cannot use in Unix. But while Java introduced, from that time all softwares are now platform independent. There is no boundary now. You can use Java anywhere. You can use Java in Unix systems also. You can use Java in um, Windows also. You can use Java in DOS also. So that is why, so now these things can be happened only because of JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine allows Java to install anywhere. Okay, so this is the main function of JVM. Okay, so today we will learn lots of things from chapter 2. The main things that Jem Gosling developed the Java with the help of his colleagues of Sun Microsystems. Its initial name was Oak, and it released in the year 1995, and the first version was Java 1.0. Okay, now types of Java program. There are two types of Java program. First one is Java application or standalone system. That means the program which we are doing now in our class, that type of program is called Java application or standalone system. In further study we will come to know about the Java applet and internet system in higher class. That programs used to do with the help of web browser. Okay, so that is called Java applet or internet applet system. Now translator, as Java is a written in simple English language, so it is not possible to understand by computer, as because computer understand only 0 and 1. So that is why we are using compiler and interpreter, the translator, which help us to translate the program into 0 and 1. Now this is the process how Java translate the program using compiler and interpreter both. Okay, both are using here. Now features of Java language. Java is object oriented language. It is a platform independent. It uses compiler as well as interpreter both. It is a robust language and it is sensitive. Now next is JVM. JVM is full form is Java Virtual Machine, and its primary function is to make the program as in such a way so that it can be run in anywhere. Okay, so finished. Enough for today. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me through your WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you students. Bye.